The MakerBot Replicator was very popular as a 3D printer, but the new Plus version is even better, being faster and quieter than its predecessor. The new version has improvements in almost all aspects. But all this does not mean that it has lost any of its excellent design and safety features. The MakerBot Replicator Plus has a simple interface which makes it easy to be used at home even by a new user. DaVinci Mini 3D Printer is a very budget-friendly, boasting of impressive 3D printing at low prices as compared to others in this segment. If you are looking to get into 3D printing, this is probably a good option as its interface is extremely user-friendly. Although it is a budget model, the printing is quite impressive, especially considering its size. The Ultimaker 2 Plus is mostly put to professional uses because of its high price and complexity of usage. The Ultimaker 2 Plus is extremely accurate when replicating objects. New users are advised not to go for this as it is not quite as user-friendly when compared to others in this list. The camera is high resolution and it supports open source software and hardware for better quality. The FlashForge Creator Pro is a good mid-range 3D printer. It is budget-friendly and also delivers very good quality. It creates good high-quality replications as you would come to expect from professional printers while being light on your pocket. Of course it is not as cheap when compared with the beginner models, but it makes up for that with greater accuracy. Thanks for watching the video, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.